Hi everyone, this is Amber with Amber Propp Designs. Today I am going to try to do kind of a water effect pour. So what colors I will be using is Cerulean Blue with Artist Loft, and we also have the Ultramarine Blue. You can find these paints on my Amazon store. The little bit of a commission does go to me to get these videos out and to get more art supplies to try new things at no additional cost, so it's truly appreciated. So today, like I said, I want to try a little bit of a demo to do some kind of as if it had a water dripping effect. And I'm going to be also using this little ball. This can be used for pottery or anything like that, but I wanted to try this technique and show you guys. It's super cool. And everything will dry really nice, just like as if you did a pour. There's no silicone today. We do use pouring medium, and all of the specifics are in the comment below. Alright, so we'll get started. I'm not going to put a base down today because I want to just slowly watch it flow out, and any little mistakes or anything like that I want to try to cover up. So I want that overlap today. Normally I would say yes if you have this technique down perfect, but for the tutorial and the demo, I wanted to do it just on a flat surface so it can keep absorbing more and more paint as we go along, and you'll be able to see the easier it will get for you to learn the technique like that. And I want you all to just learn it and just have fun with it, test it out. You might not get it on the first try, and that's okay, but that's why I'm not putting that base down. I want to keep everything to keep flowing. So if we do see a mistake, then we're going to be able to fix it because it's going to overlap on the canvas. I do also have a Patreon page that I have exclusive videos that I don't put on my YouTube page, so if you're interested in more advanced pours or anything like that, definitely check out that page.
super excited to show you how this turned out. So I let it dry for about 3 days because we had a lot of thick paint on it. So make sure that you're not touching it, just kind of leaving it alone. But here's the end results, and I think it turned out so good. I'm really happy with how this worked out. I haven't seen much of this around on YouTube or anything like that, so hopefully it's a new technique that we can all learn. And if you want to show me your end results, you can also tag me on Amber Propp Designs on my Instagram or my Facebook. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Have a good day. Bye.